But look at these. It is the highly unique M25s.
What is that?
The charge case is substantial, it is quite big, featuring a cigarette lighter style, flipped open top that feels incredibly solid and magnetically secure. I mean, it's your preference really, but nevertheless the case has a very solid shell. It features a detailed LED interface and even doubles as a power bank, yes. While you definitely won't get a full phone charge out of it, the percentage does drop rapidly when charging your smartphone. Yes, in under 80 seconds it goes to zero. I would say it's a handy little feature though, if you want to, say, boost another set of earphones. The M25s are a clear winner in terms of audio. The bass is actually present and rugged, providing a much fuller sound than any other pair in this haul. It's not too heavy or super impactful though, and it is a bit rugged sounding when it comes to hip hop tracks. No, that bass is not smooth at all, but the highs are certainly quite great. You do get nice highs, real crisp audio, with the mid levels that sit excellently well balanced. The sound seal is good too, thanks to the replaceable ear tips, and spare ear tips are indeed included. The fitment of the M25 earphones are very nice, although people with smaller ears might have an issue, but it does depend on if you swap out the ear tips. I personally do like the design of the earphones, and when it comes to the touch controls, they have a very easy to blindly locate panel, and those touch controls comprise of one press on either earphone for the play, pause, call, answering function, 2 taps on either earphone for the previous and next track selection, although those touch controls again are opposite to each other, so if you press the left earphone it will go to the next track, and if you tap the right earphone twice it will go to the previous track, and that is the same with the volume controls too. 3 taps for the volume controls, with a 2-second hold on either earphone for the voice assist function. Yeah, the touch controls are slightly mixed matched, but you know what, workable. The mic quality does have the second best pickup out of all of the earphones that we've tested from Temu. But again, one standout feature is the microphones on the M25s. The microphone pickup is quite crisp and clear. I wouldn't say better than the new Shenyang earphones, but they certainly come second place when it comes to making any type of voice calls, video calls, and again, no ENC I'm afraid, and there's no ANC too, but again, those ear tips do provide quite adequate passive noise isolation. Usage time? We got 1 hour 49 minutes use, which is a bit short, but again, the case will rapidly charge the earphones in around about 47 minutes. But because these M25s today are top of our list when it comes to the lowest price earbuds bought from the Temu website, we have given them a quite pleasing 6 out of 10. But I will note that if you're going to pay a low price for your earphones, you pay for what you get, and it is certainly quite a gamble. That is, unless you're paying above the £10 price mark. In conclusion, the M25s are easily the top pick for the lowest priced earbuds on Temu in 2026. Now if you want to check out the link for these earphones, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. Yeah, it's cheeky, so why not give it a press? And if you've actually got these earphones, comment on your experience using them in the video description. And if you want to, suggest some budget earphones that you bought off the Temu website that you find are pretty good, and I might take a look myself and review them, and not only that, give you a shout out. But it'd be very pleasing if you like and share this video wherever possible. Not only that, subscribe, will you? Sharing's caring. Bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's 2 videos showing on screen just now. You can click either one of them, but in the meantime, hope to see you guys very soon. Peace.